Hello. So I'm about to harvest. I did have to go inside and rest for a little bit from earlier. But I did want to show you my green stalk here. I don't have much going on in here. I did not take care and water this properly, but I do have some green beans here I'm about to harvest as well. And I had showed you where I had some green beans out in the middle of my garden as well. So I'm about to go harvest those as well, but I just wanted to show you these. So off camera, I'm going to be picking these as well. And then I'll be moving these into the middle of the garden with shade. And as you can see, Mama Bird has her nest in there. Every time I come out here, she flies out of here. So I'm gonna try to be careful of her. I might just leave those green beans, well, the plants there, so she can have her time and then get those later. So, yep. So as you saw earlier, I had removed these planters because I had them stacked over near my trellises, and the problem was I wasn't getting that grass cut. So I went ahead and unstacked them. I'm gonna go ahead and harvest the green beans now. And I guess I should have brought my basket, but I did not. So I'm going to go run back and get that. And then I'm going to transplant the plants from these green beans into those 2 bags there and the one up there that I moved over from earlier. And then later on, I'll plant more green beans in those pots as well. So I'm curious. I'm a new gardener still, but I am curious to see if these current plants will continue to produce green beans for me, or if I just need to go ahead and just get rid of them and just plant new ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this, but first I have to go get my basket. This one here is this is supposed to be a purple teepee, so I had a couple different ones. The Kalima, that's what this one is again. Something got to this one here. So I want to get these out of here as soon as possible. Keep in mind, I've never harvested green beans before. Last year I did have maybe like 5. Like all of 5. That's it. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but we're doing this. Like I shared on social media, my father-in-law did give me some, I think they're called yellow wax green beans. I've never had those before, so that should be interesting. Maybe I should try to grow those next year. Nothing on that. What's this one? This is a garden bean, so this is like the standard green bean you might see. Garden, as usual, people grow. Whew. What you doing, Izzy? What you doing? What size they are coming off. Maybe I should leave the little ones on. Okay, that's that. Then, let's see. Like, what in the world? This weed got in here. Look at that. They're leeching off of my good dirt. Throw that out there somewhere. Now, look at this. This is called a purple teepee. Looks like I only have one of these for now. But As you can see, it's purple. Very pretty. Yeah, something's starting to eat the plant here, but here it is. It looks like I'm gonna have some more. I'm gonna leave that little one on there. Let's see. This one, I don't know what this one is. This just could be another garden one. Don't know. It's easy once it comes out. You helping, Izzy? Got your tail in my face. Wonder if I should take those off. These right here. I'll let it go a little longer. What else we got here? This is a blue lake bush. This one here. This one might look like it's gonna make it. So we'll pull that one out. And I'm just putting these all together. It don't make no difference to me. Let's see. What's it? Kalama. Is this the one I said we're gonna keep on a little longer? I'm gonna cut this one. This one is a garden bean again. Alright, I think that's all I'm going to get out of this harvest. Okay, here we go. So, that's what we got. Alright, I think it's a good start. Like I stated before, I'm going to transplant these green bean plants in here. And I'm going to just do it at random. I'm not worried about which variety I'm growing. It's just for me and my family anyway. Okay. Actually, let me save that. Fine. Make a mess. So then what I'll do is I'll come back and cover it up. quite dry in here. I need to do a better job of keeping these watered. Now you might be asking, what do I plan on doing with these? I plan on growing more zucchini. And these will be like potted plants. So one zucchini will take up the full thing. And my zucchini over there is struggling. So I might be about to start growing. I might have fruit about to come up on my zucchini. But I think part of the problem is I kind of planted it above the soil. It was like kind of on top of the wood chips, and then I had filled it with fresh soil from the store, and I think that was the problem. It wasn't like down deep into the soil enough, and I think it may have been too much hydrogen or something. Again, I'm still new at this, so I'm learning from other people, but I'm also learning from my own mistakes. So this time the zucchini will be fully planted in the soil. Oh, I didn't even see these. Let me get those. I completely missed this one. This one has good amount of green beans on it. I'll get those in a minute. Now, it was my intent to use these bags, all 4 of these bags, for like potatoes, different varieties, but that didn't work out because I couldn't get things together in enough time. Too much life going on. So I went ahead and I said, well, I'll go ahead and use the first 2 for my peppers. One is a cayenne pepper and the other one is a sweet pepper. So that's okay. We'll try again next year. I was going to grow red potatoes and what else? Sweet potato, like I want to say it's jewel or Japanese, I can't remember. One of the ones we're used to seeing, the orange looking one. And then I was going to grow the red one, the purple one. There's so many different colors that we haven't been exposed to, and we're so unfortunate, but I'm glad we're starting to see them now. When I hear people talking about regular potato, I'm like, what is that? What is a regular potato? What variety is that? There's so many different potatoes out here, you know. And it is possible that some of these green beans didn't germinate, so we could still see some additional green bean plants grow out of this, but I don't know. And it could have been because I wasn't watering it enough, so. Alright, let me get some water on these green beans. And I need to harvest a couple that I saw on here. The heat is tearing me up. Okay. Alright, so I got those planted. Now I'm going to water them, and then I think I need to cut one more patch in here, then I'll be done for today.